All right, welcome back, everybody. It is Friday, May 12th, 9:40 a.m. Just got out of our trading session 40 minutes ago. We've been out since 9 a.m. But let's go ahead and look at the live trade that I recorded while everything was happening. And then afterwards, we'll go ahead and break down, give you my analysis into the reasons why I decided to take this trade. All right, everybody. So we're going to go ahead and break this down, break down some of our confluences to this trade, and show you kind of the reasoning why we decided to take this trade. So, as you can see, during New York, price ended up hitting the supply zone, rejecting it and breaking structure. I obviously wouldn't be selling if price were to break these highs up here, but as you can see, price didn't break these highs and decided to trade back down and retract. And then price created what's called a change of character, which is a counter trend movement. If you guys didn't watch the video yesterday, this was literally a carbon copy setup of what happened yesterday. So we had the same thing where price broke structure one time here, traded up to supply, didn't break the high, traced back down, created a supply zone here, and then changed character right here during the 845 candle. If you don't know, a change of character is basically a counter trend movement where price breaks structure to the opposite side that it's been trending at, and that kind of creates kind of opportunities in the market to go counter trend. And so we're gonna go ahead and break down our exits and entries. So as you can see, I got in pretty aggressive today, which is why I had my stops here at the top of the zone. And price, I actually got in when price started rejecting this area in here, started getting aggressive. And if you haven't seen or downloaded my free PDF over my supply and demand trading strategy, it's just a small 11-page document over what I roughly trade and what I see in the market, and how I profit from it. Go ahead and download that because it gives you a lot of really good information about my supply and demand trading strategies. So as you can see, I got in super aggressive today, and in the PDF that I have available for you guys, I tell you to place your stop loss at the top of a zone when you're getting in aggressive. And that's exactly what I did. So I got in pretty aggressive, placed my stop loss at the top of the zone. And usually, actually, for a zone like this, it's actually going to be up here. But I decided to place my zone here because if price ends up retracing upwards here, I mean, it's still just such a little amount of price action where if they're gonna bring price back up here, they're going to just reverse the price, right? They're just going to trend higher. So I decided to mitigate my risk just a little bit, just by like 3 or 4 pips. That way, if I lose, I'm losing just a little bit less than I would if I would have placed my stop loss above right here. And that's what I did. So I started moving my stop loss once price reached this area. As you can see in the video before this, I started moving my or my stop loss is right above the wick right here. So that way, if price ended up reversing, I could get out and just with a very small loss. So that's exactly what I did, and then price ended up melting. Now let's go ahead and talk about my exit point. My exit point was this demand in here. This was a similar exit point yesterday, where I got out at another demand zone, which was this demand zone in here. And as you can see, price ended up reversing. So that was my ideal exit spot. I didn't want to hold a trade past this point, and my supply and demand trading strategy really doesn't hold any runners. So when I find a spot that I can get out comfortably, I'm gonna get out. As long as, you know, I think the only real reason why I'd leave a runner is if I had seen, you know, the strength of these candles, you know, push down so fast. And at the time, I had already set my take profit. So once you know, my take profit, it took me out, and I'm very comfortable with the profit. So, yeah, so that was the reason for my exit point. I looked simply for the next zone or the next area where I could potentially see price reverse. And since because Nasdaq is bullish both on the 5-minute and the 4-hour time frames, I'm very comfortable with just taking the profit here on a cash account. So that was the breakdown of this trading of this trade here. You know, at 9 a.m. we were done, which is, you know, a very lovely time to be able to, you know, get out after the first 30-minute open. And we do have news here in 15 minutes, some red folder news. So I'm perfectly fine getting out for news and coming out of this day super profitable. So if you guys want to see more stuff like this, more breakdowns, if you guys want to see different content, you guys just give me some suggestions. I'm here for it. I'm here to help. If you have any questions, reach out to me in the Discord link below. Again, that free PDF over it's a rough draft PDF, about 11 pages over my trading strategy. It's completely free. That download link is also in the description. And then we also have like a $20 premium one, which is 24 pages now. That one's being constantly updated. That one's being constantly edited to kind of just show you the whole overview of my trading strategy. So that includes a lot more information than you would getting that free PDF. But that's just for people who really want to be dedicated to supply and demand, people who want to learn from me. And you know, I'm all about the free help. So outside of that, if you have any, you know, questions that you need, I'm all here, completely free. I'm here to help. Screw those, you know, gurus that are, you know, charging you $2,000 for a trading course, you know, $500 for a trading course. I don't believe in that. You know, I feel like $20 is for something that's probably worth a few $100s is, you know, quite sufficient enough, because, you know, I'm not here to teach to make money. I'm here to help and get you profitable. So if you guys enjoyed this video, just let me know what type of content you guys like to see, and we really do hope that this video helped you. So we'll see you guys Monday. On Monday we do start our prop firm challenge, so I will be doing some prop firm content starting Monday. Now that we've been focusing on the live account, it kind of gets boring watching or you know, trading the live account. So we're going to be starting our prop firm account challenge Monday, and you guys will be able to see all the trades, all the trade breakdowns, and all of that. So we hope you enjoyed today, and we'll see you Monday.